Yeah. Alright, so DG. Look at this little. Nah, you're not gonna be prejudiced towards little people on this channel. So the M word will not be used. But look at these mids.
Also known as Smidge the doorman. Listen, Smidge.
Smidge, looking like a little smudge.
I'm the baddest motherfucking midget in the game. I'm gonna take that.
This, bro, that's what I hate. This is one thing. Did y'all hear what he said? He wanted to say nigga so bad. He wants to say the N word so bad. Just for that, I'm saying midget. Fuck it. He wanted to say the N word so bad that he replaced it with ninja. I'm the baddest no, nigga. Stop trying to say it, bro.
Smidge, I'm the baddest motherfucking midget in the game.
I'm the baddest motherfucking ninja in the game. Now, don't that sound like some shit a nigga would say? I'm the baddest motherfucking nigga in the game. Come on, bro. That's just one thing I don't like.
I'm gonna take that belt from you. I've been doing this for 20 years. I googled your name, and all I saw was a bunch of fake, wannabe WWE dwarf hugging wrestling. Don't you know that's fake right now with your 20-year career?
Oh.
This is real.
Oh.
Come and get it.
Oh.
Smidge the doorman.
Smidge the doorman's going up against Tony Tio, aka Tattooed Midget Elliott.
Can I say something that I didn't like?
Yeah.
Why is the champ in the ring first?
It's fucked up.
Fucked up. It's not right. Well, I can bring up the fact that this championship match is not for his lightweight championship, but instead for the baddest motherfucking midget in the game championship.
I mean, this guy, the champ is way bigger.
Oh, it's Dave. It is a big-time height advantage. 4'2" and 3'11".
Only a 10-pound weight difference.
I gotta be honest,
10-pound weight difference.
Here we go. This is the most electric
And
thing
look,
in
he's
all
got
of sports.
BMFM on his gear already. He's predicting a win here.
This is the most electric thing in all of sports.
This is about to be funny as hell.
I hope Smidge runs that signature.
Oh.
On his gear already. He's predicting a win here.
This is the most electric thing in all of sports.
Pins and needles right now.
When they run to the middle.
I hope Smidge runs that signature running style. It was electric
Smidge.
last time.
Who y'all got? Let me know in the comment section.
For the third round.
Oh, yeah.
The little man comes out with a big shot.
Oh. He thought he was gonna come out here and get the work. He got his ass popped already. Look at this.
The little man comes out with a big shot.
It's over with. Look at this shit. Look at it. Yo.
Mini
thunder. Oh, he on the ground.
Big left, big right. Smidge in control.
Yeah,
I'm the champ for a reason. No, but they're swinging. No, big right.
Yeah,
No short. Cummings.
They got a minute around.
The
That
champ
nigga Smidge getting his
teaching
ass.
him a lesson.
Smidge getting his ass.
Baddest
Oh,
man
yeah,
on the
Smidge.
planet, who?
Smidge is saying this is my ring.
Yeah,
Shot from
nigga.
Smidge.
The ref bending over.
Unbelievable gear on Tony Elliott.
Oh, we kind of went
Did
into
like
it.
this.
This guy's fighting. We gotta fight.
Oh yeah. This nigga like he drank a beer right before the match.
Oh, they're
Right.
going for it,
man.
going for it.
He just like a firefighter
Do you think if
at the
Saab
gym
walked in the ring, they just walk out?
at the YMCA.
I don't know. What was that?
That was a little grounded pound to the back of the head.
Well, he was already down.
Yeah, so
Unreal. Yeah, back
video
then
is
he's
7
saying
minutes,
he'd
so
be in the back
they
row.
went back 2 3
You know what? As a fight guy, I hate to say this, but that's what a bad motherfucker does.
Alright. Now would they have been some hoes if they had a midget ref in there? Would they have been some hoes if they had a midget ref in there in the ring? What they had? That should have been fun.
That's the epitome of a bad motherfucker.
He power drives his face into the ground.
Let's see a replay there.
Replay.
That was illegal.
Dang, Smidge. Oh.
It's right here.
Dang.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Bitch ass.
Executioner style. That's not right.
Smidge.
That's not right.
Crowd's kind of booing.
I wonder if they see this on the screens. Are they getting the replay?
Hey! That's not illegal. You smacked him inside it?
Yeah.
Alright, from this angle, it did kind of look like he. It did kind of look like he. Alright, that time he did. But this time, nah, that's not in the back of the head. He was acting right here. Like he bowed. Look, that's side of the face. That's legal. But it's probably not because he's going down, but it ain't the back of the head. Look at this nigga happy as hell. Watch he act. He got hit. He got hit right here. Right here on the side of his face. Where the ear at. That's legal. Watch where he goes with his head.
That was a cheap shot.
Yeah.
Can lose a point on the scorecard.
He should. Absolutely.
You know what would have been some more hoe ass shit? You know what would have been some more ass shit? If they had a midget fucking round girl, bro. A midget, they should have had a midget round girl and a midget ref, bro. It would have made the shit way better, bro. And she number 3.
You got the heavyweight championship of the
Well,
world
I don't like
next.
her walk. She like she just started doing this one. Look at
You got the heavyweight championship of the world next.
Oh, here comes the top of the ass. I think she just has a high ass crack.
Yeah.
Like that's
Y'all heard the announcer, bro? I'm not even looking at the crack. Let me see.
You got the heavyweight championship of the world next.
Oh, here comes the top of the ass. I think she just has a high ass crack.
Yeah.
Like that's
I'm trying to
Here
see it.
You got the heavyweight championship of the
Ugh. Is it high? Is it really high? What's wrong with me? Unless your ass got a low booty crack. Or your wife got a low booty crack. That would kind of look normal to me.
next.
Oh, here comes the top of the ass. I think she just has a high ass crack.
Yeah.
Like that's
Everything
nothing
fits
you
in
can
the
do
same
about
way,
it,
yeah.
right? Her ass crack was just built bigger.
Maybe she was born that way.
Round 2.
Bro, these niggas is funny. Yeah, he look like he know he finna lose. Look at his stance. Look at his stance.
Round 2.
He thinking like, oh shit, this nigga was throwing them hoes. God damn, look at everybody looking at me. Oh my goodness. The camera's all on me. Fuck, I gotta go out here and go hard. I gotta get the next round. He whooped my ass.
There it is. Oh, a little wink for the camera
Let me show him what I got.
from Blue.
You finna get that ass whooped. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Smidge thought about it
Smidge
again.
looked like he was going to go down.
Who's he dealing with? Alright, he dipped that. Ooh, dip. Oh, he caught him with the left hook. You gotta come with the counter, man. Dip counter. He was too quick. See, he thought he was gonna get him right here with the caught him with that hook.
Smidge thought about it
Smidge
again.
looked like he was going to go down on him.
Yeah.
This nigga Smidge do not like this dude.
Smidge run.
Oh yeah.
Smidge is feeling it.
Oh yeah.
Smidge turns it on.
Put your hands
Big,
up.
just missed the left or right.
Oh.
Smidge
Oh
connecting
my
now.
God, Smidge.
He's got one hand.
Oh my
This could be
God.
over, guys. Smidge is taking control.
This
But
nigga
guy
has a
doesn't
big
back down.
head.
He's
He is
eating a
taking
ton of
all
leather.
them punches.
A ton of leather.
Do they got normal people gloves
We got
on or
blood.
normal gloves?
Smidge is wailing on him now. The
Wailing.
champ has taken control.
Oh yeah.
Smidge is all man.
Oh,
He
man.
dipping.
He's showing ring generalship
Oh,
that I
man.
haven't seen in a long time.
Just face
Oh,
it.
man.
Oh, man. He's got to get his hands up.
That looked
Oh,
like
he
he
done
thought
stopped
he
the fight.
stopped.
That's a loss.
That I haven't seen in a long time.
Hold on. How you pause the fight and give a nigga a warning to put his hands up? Nah, Smidge whooping his ass. If he ain't got his hands up, that's his fault.
His face wash.
Oh man, Smidge.
He's got to get his hands up.
That looked like he thought he
Smidge
stopped.
popping his ass.
Smidge hit him with a left, right, left.
Oh,
Smidge just dominating.
KO's on wobbly legs.
Smidge.
Yes, one more round.
Yeah. Give him a show. I like it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sit your ass on the bench. Calm the bench, man. Calm the stool,
I'm a
man.
big fan of this ring girl. I don't feel like she's got enough love all night.
Yeah, I like the top.
Calm the stool, man.
It's almost like a nightgown.
Okay.
Again, it's time to go to bed here, folks.
See, she ain't even got no booty. So she ain't even got no booty crack. That's a lower back crack. lower back crack. lower back crack. Big.
Lingerie for the boys.
Ugh. Yeah, that is not it, fam.
It's like a nightgown. Yeah, I like the
Let's see her
top.
whole intro. Yeah.
It's almost like a nightgown.
See, look at this. She drinks a lot. Every weekend she drinking.
Again, it's time to go to bed here, folks.
Look at that. That's not it, fam. Her body is really just and then her fucking underwear so tight. It's leaving indentions in the, you know, with her hips. No, it's not her hips. It's just all.
Lingerie for
Ugh. No heap, no heaps, no heap.
the boys.
Yeah, bro, it's a wrap. That's damn near just damn near. Yeah, that's not it. Her booty crack probably normal, I guess.
Yeah, it's going to be very interesting how this turns into a blackout.
I think I look better. I think I look better.
I have no idea. It's like the switching from the ice to the ring.
They're taking bitches out of the crowd like I was.
Really?
They
I mean, how packed this place is, dude. You guys said
let's get to the fight.
Rough and rowdy.
Last round.
3 championship rounds for the BMFM championship.
Alright, Smidge.
Rough and
Go
rowdy.
Smidge.
Oh, a little ducky duck.
Little ducky duck.
Not too far to go either, to be honest.
No, it touches
Smidge
toes.
on
Oh,
there.
big right.
Smidge.
Big right. These guys are stellar, though.
Definitely.
A little trip.
Oh, all right.
Smidge loves the ground and pound. He's just a savage. He wants to take this guy big times.
Oh, no.
That's when you just
You
don't
trying
laugh.
too hard now.
No, you don't laugh.
Just put everything behind that. I mean everything.
Oh, a little Ali shuffle.
Wobble with you, wobble with you, wobble with you,
Everything behind that.
wobble with you.
Oh, a little Ali shuffle. No, Dan, that was the Ali.
That was no Ali Shuffle. That was the
Again.
Ali Stumble, man.
Ali shuffle. No, Dan, that was the Ali.
Again.
It's alright. Just throw the towel. Throw the towel in there. You can't even stand up. You can't throw a good punch.
He saw us laugh.
He looked over. I felt
Yeah,
so
it's
bad.
alright.
I feel bad.
Look at this face right here. When you get hit, and you get them eyes like, you desperate, nigga. You don't know what's coming, nigga, and you don't know what you finna throw, nigga. Pause it. Look. When you get this face right here, after you get hit, you lost. This is a lost face. When you lost, nigga. You don't know what to throw. You don't know what's coming, nigga. That's that face. That's what that. Yeah, they don't know what's next.
Over. I felt so bad. I feel bad.
Leave it alone. He saw us laugh too.
Yeah, he did. He looked over. I felt so bad. I feel bad now.
But he left it all on the field.
He's doing
It's
it.
a wrap.
He
Yeah,
looked
it's
over.
over.
He felt
It's
bad.
over.
He's laughing.
What do you? This ref's trash. That's why I told you they should have had a midget ref, because he know.
No. We got to keep straight faces on commentary here.
Oh, no.
Smidge.
Yeah, it's a wrap, bro. It's a wrap. Call the fight.
What's
We're
it
gonna let
called?
him figure it out. Oh, it's minute round.
Monty
So.
Python.
Since they midgets in this minute round,
He's
they
got
can just
fucking
finish
no legs and no arms. He's like, it's just
Wait. They only get a minute. Is that discrimination? Saying midget? No.
scratch.
Great fight.
You know
Wicks and
it's not
Chris,
right.
great fight.
He left it all out there. You cannot
Hey,
You already know who won,
like
nigga.
that. No, you can't. And you know what? He brought a lot of attention to this entire thing.
Listen,
Raise
I
your right
like
hand.
my guys. I don't care if you know you can't get to the foul ball, dive for it. That's what he was doing.
Yeah,
Dive.
he was.
Heavyweight champion of the world,
man.
deserved it.
There's a reason Smith
Knock a nigga out like Smidge. Hit a nigga like Smidge. I don't care if he built like a fridge. I know that nigga is a. Finish it in the comments. Nah, don't even say that. They might swipe your ass. YouTube might swipe your nigga for cussing in the comments. Yeah.